Hey, Magic Matt here once again at the Fairfax Creek. And I didn't think I'd be back here yet again, but I am, and I'm showing you another trick. And this is kind of a cool trick. I didn't even learn about this until recently. And the guy that I learned it from, I saw a video and he did it like sideways. And it starts with the yo-yo unwound. By the way, this is a Skyva magic yo-yo. Love it, great yo-yo, unresponsive. So he did it sideways. I didn't have a lot of luck with that, and so I kind of adapted it to do it front style. And it's a trick to wind the yo-yo. So you kind of just throw the yo-yo as if you have it already wound. You have it in your hand as such, and you make a muscle, like they say, and flip it down, and it gets a nice spin. And then from there, you got to do a bind and get it back to your hand, basically. So here it goes. Well, you could probably do better than that. Let's try again. Here it goes. That works. It wasn't the cleanest in the world, but I'll take it. I'll take it. So that's a trick to wind the yo-yo when it's in a stop in your hand. Magic Matt, Blinky.com. Good to see you. You smell great, and we'll see you next time.